Hi, Kenny with One Source RV. Today we're going to take two different manufacturers of portable air compressors and we're going to put them to the test side by side to see which one performs better. VIAIR and Minder compressor. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, I got each compressor tied to a battery bank that are wired in parallel so that it's exact same voltage for both batteries. And the voltage is 12.85 on one, 12.85 on the other. So it's a fair test. What I'm going to do, I've got these both tires aired down to 80 psi. I'm going to start both compressors at the exact same time. I'm going to run them for 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back and see which one got the most air in its tire. So let me start the compressors and we'll see what happens. And the race is on. All right, both of them are off. Exactly 5 minutes. We have, looks like about 101 in the VIAIR tire, and the Minder 101.9. So I'd say these are fairly competitive units. And from my perspective, they look almost the same. VIAIR 1-year warranty, Minder 3-year warranty. Very competitive price. I think Minder's actually a little less than VIAIR. So VIAIR's advantage would be multiple different compressors for different size coaches. And I'm pretty sure Minder's theory is one will do all. So both very good units. Thank you for your time.